Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to practice the profile rib command. So for this purpose, click new and open a new file in PTC Creo 3.0 and click on top, sketch and sketch view. So we are now in the top view. So here select the center rectangle and give it dimension 100 and 60. Click OK. After that, extrude it to 25. Click OK. And now we are going to make another sketch to extrude it vertically. Sketch. Select this surface and sketch. Now click on sketch view. So take reference to this line and this line. Click OK. Now we are selecting corner rectangle, starting point and it's the end point, and give it dimension to 25. Okay, now extrude it. I give it dimension 60 and click OK. So now this is the command profile rib. So first of all, click on profile rib and select this plane and sketch view. Now we are going to make a rib between these 2 points. So take reference first point and second point and close it. Select line and select both these points and press the middle mouse button. As you can see, if we click on OK and change the direction of this arrow, the rib is created. Now we can give it dimension 25 or 15 as per requirement. And the other option is, as you can see, the rib is created between this plane. So if you want to change the position, so you can click. So as you can see, it changes its position, but now it's in the center. Click on OK. And for the next situation, we are making a rib between two cylinders. For this, we are going to delete the extra parts and make two cylinders. So select sketch, upper surface and sketch view. Select on circle and give it dimension, double click 30. Now extrude it to double click 40 and OK. We need another circle, so sketch, select surface, sketch and sketch view. So we are going to make two circles and the diameter is 18 and click on OK and extrude it 30. So it's another condition if we have two cylinders and we want to create a rib. So what is the procedure to create a rib between two cylinders? So first of all, profile rib, and after that we selected this plane and sketch view. So now we need a reference this line and this line, two lines, and close. After that, select line and first point, second point and press middle mouse button, and we need another line from this point to the last point, and press middle mouse button and click on OK. As you can see, the rib is created, and we can change the dimension of the rib, and it is according to your requirement, and the rib is created. And if we zoom in and we see that the rib is as the outer side of the cylinder, and it is created very simple manner. So click on OK, and I'm going to turning off the plane and other axis. So hope you learn from this video and practice about the profile rib. See you in the next video.